Let me tell you a secret professional interior designers use that make decorating feel calm, clear, and intentional. It's called a mood board. And today I am breaking down why every millennial mom needs one before decorating a home. If you're a mom juggling family, life, budget, and beautiful ideas in your head, this video is for you. Make sure to watch till the end of the video because the last point will blow your mind. So what is mood board in interior design? A mood board in interior design is more than just a collage of pretty pictures. It is a strategic tool that designers use to capture the overall concept of a project. Think of it as a snapshot of your design vision, a way to communicate the colors, textures, and mood you want a space to reflect before making any big purchases or changes. At its core, a concept mood board interior design project answers three questions. What feeling should the space give? What elements will work together to create that feeling? How can we make sure the client understands the vision before anything is ordered or installed? Mood boards give your home a clear feeling. As moms, we often decorate in bits and pieces. We buy what looks good in the moment without thinking about how everything will feel together. A mood board helps you pause and decide the emotional direction of your space before anything else. Do you want your living room to feel calm, cozy after a long day with the kids, or bright and energizing for family gathering and playtime? A mood board allows you to define that feeling clearly and intentionally. When your home has a defined feeling, decorating becomes easier. Every decision you make supports the same emotional goal instead of fighting against it. It stops impulse buying and wasting money. Many millennial moms have bought deco items that looked beautiful in the shop but felt wrong at home. This usually happens when there is no clear plan guiding purchases. A mood board acts like a filter before you buy anything. You ask yourself if it fits the colors, textures, and style already defined on your board. If it doesn't, you skip it. This simple habit saves money, reduces clutter, and helps you invest only in pieces that truly work for your home. So choosing colors can feel overwhelming, especially when you are afraid of making mistakes. A mood board allows you to experiment safely before committing. By placing paint colors, fabrics, and inspiration images together, you can see how tones interact. You notice what feels balanced and what feels too loud or dull. For millennial moms, this removes fear from decorating. You are no longer guessing, you are making informed, confident color choices. It makes small spaces feel intentional. So many homes today have limited space. Mood boards are especially powerful for small living rooms and apartments because they force you to be intentional. Instead of overcrowding a room with mismatched ideas, a mood board helps you focus on fewer, stronger design elements. This creates visual, calm, and openness. When every piece has a purpose, even small spaces feel elevated, organized, and thoughtfully designed. It helps you balance beauty and practicality. As moms, our home must be beautiful and functional. A mood board allows you to plan for those at the same time. You can include washable fabrics, durable materials, and kids-friendly furniture alongside stylish elements. This ensures your space supports real life without sacrificing beauty. Designing this helps you create a home that works for your family today, not just something that looks good online. It makes your style clear even if you're still discovering it. Many millennial moms struggle to define their design style. A mood board helps reveal it naturally over time. As you collect images and materials you love, patterns begin to emerge. You start noticing repeated colors, textures, and furniture style. This process builds self trust. You learn that your style doesn't need a label, it just needs consistency. It makes decorating feel calm, not stressful. So, decorating, while managing family life can be overwhelming, a mood board removes decision fatigue instead of making dozens of choices daily. You rely on visual guides. This creates clarity and calm throughout the process. When decorating feels organized, it becomes enjoyable instead of stressful. Whether you're working with a spouse, a carpenter, or a decorator, explaining your vision in words can be difficult. A mood board speaks for you visually. It helps others understand your expectations clearly, and this reduces misunderstandings and ensures everyone is aligned from the beginning. It makes your home feel more luxurious. So, luxury is not about expensive items, it's about cohesion and intention. Mood boards help you create homes that feel curated and thoughtful rather than random. When everything flows visually, your home naturally feels elevated and polished. It allows you to decorate in phases. Millennial moms often decorate over time due to budget and responsibilities. A mood board keeps your vision intact even when decorating is slowly and gradual. You can pause, continue later, and still remain consistent because your guide never changes. This prevents your home from feeling unfinished or disconnected. It helps build confidence in your decisions. Once you trust your mood board, you stop second guessing yourself. You learn to rely on your plans instead of external opinions or trends. This confidence transforms how you approach your home and design choices. It teaches you design skills without formal training. So, creating mood boards train your eyes, you learn proportions, balance, and harmony naturally. Over time, your decorating decisions become more refined and intentional. This empowers millennial moms to design beautiful homes without needing professional training. Last but not least, it connects your home to your life season. Your home should reflect who you are now. Mood boards allow you to design spaces that honor motherhood, growth, and change. They help you create environments that support your current lifestyle rather than outdated expectations. Your home becomes a reflection of your journey, not just a decorated space. A mood board is not just about perfection, it's about clarity, confidence, and creating a home that feels like you. If you are a millennial mom decorating your living room or entire home, start with a mood board. It will change how you see your space and yourself as a creator. If this video was helpful, like, subscribe, share it with another mom who is decorating her home, and I'll see you in the next one.